Hello, welcome guys. I am Gideon Oye, and in this tutorial, you will be learning the new system, the new targeting option, because Facebook recently did some changes to their metaverse. And in the targeting option, you will discover that there are some things that have been removed, and I quickly want to dive into it and show you, especially when you are targeting a particular location, and you cannot target a specific location again now, because even if you target it, what will happen is that, let's say for example you are targeting a particular state, Facebook will show your ad beyond that targeted state. Yeah, that is the major change that Facebook has done in the targeting section. So the next thing you need to do in this case, I will show you in the next screen on what you can do, how to go about it, and how you can channel your advert to specific states, to specific people in a specific state. Without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into it and see that change that Facebook has done to their metaverse. Thank you. Hello, welcome guys to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be looking at some changes that Facebook has made. They've made a lot of changes, and especially in the target section, there are some of the changes that Facebook has made. So let me go on and create a demo ad now, a demo advert, and show you the change that is the latest on Facebook this morning. So without wasting any much time, let's go into it and check the ads section. Let's say I'm running the advert. I'm setting it up as a manual advert. Let's see, there's a particular change in the audience section that Facebook has made, and in this tutorial I want to show you the change that Facebook has made in the target section, and what you can do to align your adverts to the set of people you want to show your advert to. All right, so here is the place where the change has been made. So right now, let me quickly go down to the change and show you quickly. Let's say I'm running an advert. As you know, I'm located here in Nigeria. So let's say I want to target the whole of Nigeria, or okay, let me just choose a state. Let's say I want to target Rivers State. Let's say I want to target Rivers State in Nigeria. Yeah, have you seen? Good. Now, this Rivers State I'm targeting in Nigeria, if you remember that before, you can edit this place, reach people living or recently in this location. Before, you can edit it to firstly people in this location, or people living or recently living in this location. Are you getting me? And also, you can also exchange it. You can also change it to another kind of, at least I remember before we have up to like 4 different options that we can choose. But now Facebook has done it in such a way that you cannot edit it again. You cannot edit it again. So what can you do in this case? In such case, what you do is that after you must have choose your state, because the negative impact this will do to your ad is that this advert will be shown to people located in River State. Are you getting me? It will be shown to people located in River State, and also it will be shown to people that were recently in this location, in Rivers location. That is, they might have traveled out of Rivers recently, they might have gone abroad, they might be in another state within the country. You understand me? And you are selling physical products, and you want to transport or ship that product to the person, and you find out that the form that the person filled on the landing page, the person is not in particular in River State, the person is in another state. So what will you do for your advert to show to people that are in River State? So what you do is that you go to your ads level. Now we have sales campaign, we have the ad set level. Here you have the ad set level. What you do is go to your sales ad, go to your ad level and you call it out. You do a call out in your ad level, that is in your ad creative. It can be a video, it can be an image, and also in this primary text you have to write some things here and also call it out in the primary text. Okay, let's say for example I'm selling a physical product and I am within Rivers State and I want to sell to people only within Rivers State. So what will I do in this case? Because my advert is also shown to people outside Rivers State. The people might be in Lagos State, they might be in Ogun State, they might be in Calabar, and or they might even be in Ghana or United States. What can I do? So what I will do is that firstly, in this section here, I will, if I'm running a video advert, my video will contain the call out. That is, in the video, I will tell them that for people living in the River State, this advert is shown to you and you have to patronize me in buying this product. You buying this product, you will get a free delivery if you are within River State. But if you are outside the River State, there will be payment of 2,000 naira for delivery fee, or 2,000 naira as a commitment fee for the product to get through to your location wherever you are. So you have to make the call out here, or if you just want to sell to only people within that city, you call it out in the video. And another thing you can do is that after you must have included it in the video, while editing the video here also, in where you type your primary text, your ad creative must have it. It must be called out here, and also on your landing page. If people click on the advert and they are directed to your landing page, it has to be stated there that for only for those living within this Rivers State. All right, I am Gideon Oye, and if you know you are getting value from all I'm saying right now, what I will encourage you to do is to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. In case I release other video tutorials, you will be informed about digital marketing, Facebook adverts. Every day by day, Facebook make a whole lot of changes to their platforms. And also, I'll be releasing new tutorials very soon. So turn on the notification bell, hit the subscribe button. In case I release the tutorials, check on my reels. You will see some videos here that I have also made, because recently I've been making videos on sales funnel, how you can use Facebook advert to your advantage, how you can apply the sales funnel strategy to your Facebook ads, and you begin to generate massive sales. So in this ad set level, there is nothing you can do here. So you just leave it like that. After you must have chosen your state, there is nothing you can do. So just make your call out in the ad level, in your video creative or in your text creative. Call it out. Let them know that this advert is meant for people that are living within this state. All right. See you in next lesson. I am Gideon Oye. Check out other videos that I do, and I will see you soon. Do have a lovely day. Bye for now.